Well, friends, good morning. So, topic of the day is changes in the policy wordings. Changes in the policy wordings. The latest decision of IRDAI to enable customization of the policy wordings in accordance with the risk profile has encouraged product innovation and meet the larger customer needs. This decision of IRDAI allowed general insurers to change the wordings in all corporate policy documents except motor third party. This is expected to lead to a sea change in the way insurance policies are issued. Insurers can now change terms, conditions, clauses, warranties, policies, and endorsement wordings applicable to certain classes of business such as fire, engineering, motor, workman compensation, and other classes of insurances, which were not allowed earlier because the IRDAI's decision is expected to benefit the general insurance industry and the customers. So the latest decision would enable customization of the policy wordings in accordance with the risk profile, encourage product innovation, and meet the larger customer needs. So IRDAI has set up a committee to simplify policy wordings last year. IRDAI had set up a committee to simplify policy wordings last year. The IRDAI move came following complaints that policyholders often find it difficult to understand the terms and conditions in insurance policy contracts due to the complex language used in the policy. So, despite de-tariffing in all the segments of Indian general insurance industry in 2006 in terms of pricing, except motor third party motor premium, the insurers didn't have the freedom in issuing customized policy wordings and had to follow a particular set of predetermined format as far as wordings including terms and conditions in the policy documents are concerned. So the Indian insurance market will now be aligned with leading global market in freedom of pricing and preparing policy documents. So the latest market reform will enhance the financial soundness of insurers, incentivize risk mitigation and product diversification, improve insurance coverage and bridge the insurance protection gap. However, the IRDAI has clarified that no insurer will at any time withdraw or discourage the use of or decline to offer to any customer any of the tariff products which have been in existence prior to the notification. So the insurance regulator's recent decision to allow general insurers flexibility in policy wordings for commercial insurance is a welcome move. This move will augment the ability of insurers to offer tailor-made solutions to the business entities. So the denotification of tariff is very welcome move, which has been a long-standing demand of the insurance brokers. This will provide greater choice and freedom to the customers in terms of selection of risk to be insured. So the move will force insurers to innovate and penetrate the market with newer products. The insurance industry would need some time to offer customized offerings. Basis this regulatory change post consultation with the reinsurers. In the interim, the immediate impact of these regulatory changes may be minimal for the renewal of existing insurance policies. It would take at least a few weeks to put in place innovative covers after insurers are allowed to customize the coverage across all the lines of businesses. It would not immediately impact the forthcoming April 1 renewals. So after pricing, insurers are happy that now the restrictions on drafting terms and conditions have been removed. It will help general insurers to meet the larger requirement of their clients. In its board meeting last month, IRDAI cleared the regulatory changes in the rural social sector and the motor third-party motor insurance. So for rural obligations, the unit of measurement will now be the Gram Panchayat. The scope of the social sector has been extended to cover card holders and beneficiaries under various schemes. Under motor TP, the unit of measurement will be the renewal of coverage for goods and passenger carrying vehicles as well as tractors. So this move will be useful because the insurance policies will get a makeover. Imagine this: you are reading your insurance policy and instead of dense legalese, you encounter clear, concise language that you can actually understand. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, thanks to a recent decision by the IRDA, this sci-fi scenario is inching closer to reality now. Because IRDA is shaking things up in the world of insurance by allowing insurers more flexibility in crafting their policy wordings. So this might seem like a minor tweak, but it has the potential to be a game changer for both insurance companies and policyholders. Why this matters a lot? See, traditionally, insurance policies have been notorious for their complexity. They were often riddled with jargon and obscure clauses, leaving policyholders feeling confused and frustrated. This lack of clarity could lead to misunderstandings and disputes down the road. So insurance regulators' decision is a breath of fresh air. By allowing insurers to use simpler language and tailor their wordings to specific risks, the playing field is being leveled. This can empower policyholders to make informed decisions and ensure they are getting the coverage they truly need. This is really beyond clarity. A word of opportunity, but the benefits extend far beyond just clear communication. This newfound flexibility opens doors for innovation in the insurance sector. So insurers can now design policies that cater to niche market and evolving needs. Imagine a world where you can get specialized insurance for your cyber security risk, your home-based businesses, or even your pet's medical needs. The possibilities are truly exciting. That's a word to the wise. While the insurance regulators move with the positive steps, it's important for policyholders to remain vigilant. With more control over policy wordings, there is a chance insurers might introduce exclusions or limitations that are not readily apparent. So the key is to be proactive. Don't just skim through your policy documents. Read them carefully and don't hesitate to seek clarifications on anything that seems unclear. So additionally, comparing offerings from different insurers is crucial to ensure you are getting the best deal that aligns perfectly with your risk profile. So now what is the future of insurance now? The IRDAI decision marks a significant shift in the Indian insurance landscape. It paves the way for a future where insurance policies are clear, customizable, and meet the ever-changing needs of policyholders. So by working together, insurers, regulators and policyholders can create a more transparent and efficient insurance market that benefits everyone. So the world of insurance is about to get a whole lot more interesting because this denotification of tariffs has given full freedom to insurers to customize the policy wordings and now come out with the innovative products because all those tariffs which were restricting the policy wordings, terms, conditions, clauses are removed now. So this initiative of IRDA is really a welcome move because this latest decision would enable customization of the policy wordings in accordance with the risk profile. It will encourage product innovation and meet the larger customer needs. Thank you very much.